So I used the Mavic this morning. There's my fabric tape on the arm there, and there, about the side of the gimbal there, and the bit there. So it seems to have done the trick quite nicely. It's quite nice and soft. No visible signs of scuffing on the arm there, yeah, on the side of the drone, yeah. So basically,
dude, you're back to being awesome again. Oh yes. So the interesting point was about the gimbal. It's locked, but it takes very, very little force to actually unlock it. So it's like the locking mechanism isn't perfect, but you'd nearly have to transport it very, very carefully. So anybody moving this in a backpack, say if they're on a mountain bike and they've gone up a trail, when it eventually comes out with this active sync, that's what people will be doing with it, I should imagine. So clearly that mobility issue on that and that locking capability of the gimbal is a bit of an issue, really. It's not really that clever. It doesn't take a lot of force. So if it's in your backpack and you go over a bit of a bumpy road, that's going to work loose straight away and that's going to be flopping about like this. So to me, that's not great. You know, on the Mavic 2, the plastic round gimbal, whilst it was fiddly, was, you know, more functional. It would hold the gimbal and protect it more. You know, yeah, sure, it can only move maybe that much inside the gimbal protector that's on, but it does make you wonder why that locking mechanism isn't better. There you go. When you look in there, you can see that there's a bit of space there between the bottom of the gimbal and the bottom of the protector, which obviously when it unlocks, it's got some rotational movement there.
So what I'm doing, I'm taking some high-tech fabric glue. I'm taking a piece here, and I'll just put lots of dabs of adhesive on this. Make sure I get it good and proper.
So I'll put some pads of very soft foam in now. So now, I don't know if we can get on the right angle.
That is nearly just touching the bottom of the gimbal. So even if the gimbal unlocks, the gimbal protector on, there's less
rotational movement. So it's only probably about 2 or 3 mil thick.
Stuck it on with fabric glue. It's very soft, so it won't mark the bottom of the gimbal. So that'll just make it more secure with the existing protector on. So yeah, I'm happy with that. So now put the, what I've done is I've unlocked the gimbal. And now, absolutely, get the gimbal to move a tiny, tiny bit, but it's actually much more solid now. So yeah, I'm happy with those little mods. There we go. So even when it's bouncing about, happy days. And that's where the gimbal unlocked. So I'll show you what I mean. Just jump through that. Turn it off, as you can see.
It's unlocked there, so the gimbal will move about if it's not restrained. So yeah, I'm very happy with that.